If you use an iPhone or you've just bought one, you need to turn off these hidden settings right now because some of these settings can track your activity, leak your personal data, and even put your privacy at risk. And trust me, setting 4 is the most dangerous one. Let's fix them in less than 2 minutes. Stop apps from tracking you. Ever searched for a product in one app and then suddenly started seeing ads for it everywhere? That's because apps can track your activity. Here's how to stop it. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Select Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. Once it's off, apps won't be able to ask permission to track your activity across other apps and websites. Turn off this hidden Safari setting. If you care about your privacy while browsing, this setting needs to be off. Go to Settings. Search for Safari in the search bar at the bottom. Open Safari. Scroll all the way down. Tap Advanced. Turn off Privacy Preserving Ad Measurement. This reduces the amount of information shared for advertising, so your browsing stays more private. Turn off Background App Refresh. Now here's another setting that almost every iPhone user should check. Many apps keep running in the background, even when you're not using them. This can drain your battery, use your mobile data, and keep apps updated without you even knowing. Here's how to turn it off. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Choose Off. Now your apps won't keep refreshing in the background, which can help save battery, reduce data usage, and limit unnecessary background activity. Never auto-join public hotspots. This one is seriously important. Public Wi-Fi networks can be risky. If your iPhone connects automatically, your data could be exposed on an unsafe network. To stay safe, open Settings. Tap Wi-Fi. Select Auto Join Hotspot. Change it to Never. Now, your iPhone won't automatically connect to public Wi-Fi, reducing the chance of connecting to an unsafe network. Turn off Personalized Apple Ads. Apple also uses advertising preferences to personalize ads. You can disable that too. Open Settings. Scroll all the way down and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom. Tap Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads. Now you'll receive less personalized advertising based on your activity. Apple won't use your activity as much to show personalized ads, giving you more privacy. Those were 5 iPhone settings every user should turn off to improve privacy and security. Which one was already on your iPhone? If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more hidden iPhone tips.